What is up? We got about 10 seconds till market open. Just gonna show you guys what we're working with. We got some 15-minute gaps here, London low, 4-hour gap, and some 4-hour gaps up above, along with this intermediate high and then inside of the 4-hour gap. Our bias today is probably gonna be bullish just because of these gaps up above, and we've been in an uptrend. If you look at the 4-hour gap, 4-hour, you can see that we've been going up, so likely to continue that way. Probably have to look for some type of continuation through these gaps, because ES is already through both those 4-hour gaps, so yeah, it's gonna probably have to be some sort of continuation unless we do want to reverse off these 4-hour gaps. Since ES is also approaching the highs above it, it would make sense to go down, but we'll just react off of what we get. So yeah, pop back in when the setup forms. We're looking pretty good here to go long. We swept this intermediate low. We have a minute gap right here, so I think if we come up above this, we get to take longs. But we'll see. Maybe not. If we just want to keep going right on down. If we came down into this gap, that would be nice. Then we could have some more. Or just swept this low. It's good. Good. SMT. Now we don't. Oh yeah, I guess we do. What time is that? 5:52. Yeah, we do. It's over here. Oh no, I guess we don't. What time is this? Yes, we do. Alright. We'll see. We got SMT. Just swept this low. Looking pretty good. We can enter down here and just target our high right here. Be pretty good. Probably wouldn't even target that high. I'd probably just target like right there. Well, there we go. So I definitely would not enter off of. Okay, yeah, going down anyway. I was gonna say I'm not entering if we get this huge wick and we inverse like here. It's just obviously we couldn't go up, so. Be nice if we could just keep going down into this gap and end up forming a 5-minute gap. I probably wouldn't take this inversion anymore since we inverse this 15-minute. I have to wait till we came down into this one. Same on ES, we inversed the other 15-minute, and there's no SMT anymore because we swept this low on ES. So just wait. It's kind of hard to. I don't even know if I'm going to trade today because it's kind of hard to figure out what you want to do. And like this gaps right here, like I guess if I'm this low, I can't even target the high anyway. So it's not that big of a deal. But say I was going for like a continuation up in here, you never know when it's going to reverse. Even though there is more draw and liquidity all through this gap, but just never know. What news? I think we had news today. I think it was earlier. Yeah. It's at 5 this morning, 5:30. All of our news this week is before market open, thank God. Did anything even happen at 5:30? Oh, yeah. Cool. Yeah, we're still working our way down, so we'll see you guys when something else presents itself. We have this entry right here. I didn't take it just because it's been pretty choppy, but this is about what it would have looked like if we were to enter. Obviously not a hot start. Yeah, it already got stopped out. So yeah, I didn't want to enter. We've been kind of like respecting these 1 minutes that are forming, and as you can see, there's one right here. So yeah, I wasn't gonna take that, even though we're trying to go along. It's been pretty choppy, so I would have been terrible. I would have been so mad. That's like $860 in one less than a minute. God, I'd have been so mad. Yeah, we're gonna have to wait for something pretty good to present itself today because there's just so much like happening with the gaps, and obviously this isn't what you want to be trading in, so we'll kind of just see if anything presents itself. But yeah. All right, so we finally broke out of this accumulation here. We swept this low down into this 15-minute. I still don't even know if I would take a 1-minute inversion just because there's a lot of liquidity resting right here now, so it wouldn't be the worst thing. We would enter if we closed above this, but we've been bullish for the last couple days, so could just be time to come down, I guess. Yeah, so just got into discounted range. It's actually not a bad time to come back up, so let's see what we get. If we enter, this is probably a little above our stop loss. Like $1,000. Like I can't do $1,000 stop loss. It's just too much. So I don't know. I was thinking about starting a new series on TikTok with golf, trying to break 100. Let me look at what I shot last time. I think it was. I know it was terrible. No, I don't want the subscription yet. 134 at Cottonwood. Plus 62. So I almost doubled par. I didn't make a single par. I had one bogey. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I had so many double bogeys. I don't even know. Let's see, is double 5 bogey. I don't even know what you call that. Bogey, another fiver, double bogey, triple bogey, another 5 bogey, triple bogey. I shot 64 on the front 9. I think that's actually the best I've ever done, so settle down. Triple, quad, 5, quad, 5, quad, triple, double. Pretty ass. But it was fun. I don't think I lost any balls. I just got a new pack of super softs. I only had like 3 for the day, so I was stressing out. I thought I had a bunch of balls because there were a bunch of boxes in my bag, but they were just all empty. So that was not the best. Get rid of this. Dude, what are you doing? Come here. Come on. Come on. You want to come up here? Okay. Oh, look who it is. Look who it is. Look at this. Duke, what do you think's going to happen? Are we going to go up or down? He's looking down. So, guess we're going to be looking for some shorts today for the rest of the day. Probably only another hour. So I have to get ready for school after that. Oh. I'm going to take him out to the bathroom real quick. Alright, we're back. Looks like we're about to end versus 15 minute. Let me mark out some lows to target, I guess. No, just have. That's it. We already have them marked out, so. 5 minute gap all the way up here. I doubt we come back up to that. Alright, yeah. Just wait for something to fall. So, all this low resistance liquidity that I wanted to hit on the way down, including London low, is already going to be taken out. I was kind of hoping we'd get it would come down to like here maybe. We get a retrace this 5 minute and get the rest, but we already took it all. And it's not inside any like gap or anything, so Yeah, I don't really know what the move is today. We'll kind of see. I mean, we can come down into this gap if we wanted to. But yeah, I don't know. We got about 20 seconds. We'll have this 5-minute gap form, and then probably just keep going lower, I would guess. I don't think we'll come up here today anymore, obviously. So if we want to just short down into this gap, or at least try to, we could. So 5-minute gap now. See if we can come up into it. Yeah. We are almost to the next 4-hour gap already. We've got these 5-minute gaps up above. I mean, look at the 15-minute. I'd have to wait a little bit for that, but it'd be the same, so, you know, whatever. Hopefully we can see a retracement now, or in the next couple minutes up to here, and then we can just target actually getting to this 4-hour gap. Would probably be the best thing to do. But if we just go straight into it, then we could look for, I say look for a reversal, is not even 1 minute, close 1 minute gaps right here. So I would just take that and then target up into this, what will be a 15-minute gap. It's 5-minute right now, but a couple minutes this will be a 15-minute gap. But we have to come into here first, so we'll see what we get. I got 2 jumbo boxes of 2026 Top Series, one coming in today. So it's going to be exciting. Here we go. Maybe. Let's look at yes. Yes is almost there. I can get rid of that. Come on now. Well, in 2 minutes, this would turn to a 5-minute, and then we'd have the 15 up above. So I have some pretty good retracement points if that's what we want to do. We'll see. cut. Okay, another minute. We'll see what we can get. I doubt we shoot up in a minute, so let's just mark this out now. What? All right. Should have a 5-minute gap. Kinda. I'm like, what kinda? If we could sweep this inverse the 5-minute and then just target this. That'd probably be what I'd want to do. We'll see. I feel like it's gonna be pretty chopped for a while. I'm in the middle of a Clash game, but we might have an entry here. Hold on. Alright, never mind. False alarm. We've respected this 5 minutes so far. Shit, I'm gonna lose, bro. I was not locked in. God damn it. Alright. Definitely could have won that game, but 4-star. What is it? Can't even see. 133 rare wild cards. Alright, for sure. Alright, we'll still see if we respect this 5-minute. If we close below here, we can enter shorts and yeah, just target the low. If we inverse it now, then we're not gonna do that, but yeah, so that's cooked. Inverse is 5-minute. Let's see if we were to enter and just try to come up to this gap. Let's see what that would look like. Yeah, hopefully we can come back up in here. It'd be in a gap and be sweeping this, and then we can get a 1-minute inversion down, and then we can just target one of the lows that we make along the way, because can't go all the way down there. Looks like I should have taken this. I would already pulled this up to like right here. It's like $400, so. Or a little less, I guess. Like 3 something. Yeah, here we got stopped out. been like $300 or something. I don't know. Would have been fine with that. We'll see if we get anything else. Might just retrace again this 1 minute and then go back up. Yo, can we talk about my videos getting shadow banned? Like, I posted like 5 yesterday, and they're all just shadow banned, and then at one point they get unshadow banned, and then they all get like, only 200 to 300 views. Like, what? I don't get it. I posted one this morning. It's at 5 views. Right.
Tomorrow is the release day.
Right. Yeah, again, we're not actually in this trade. We're just seeing, we're just watching. I could have entered. Just watching for now. The only reason I didn't take this was just because if we had just tapped in this and then had that 5-minute version, I would have entered all day long. But just did not happen. Did not happen. I'm looking at yes right now. Just keep watching this, I guess. for a little bit. Almost got it. Just pulled back into another 1 minute again. See, like right now we have good structure. So I'm pretty hopeful and looking for a reversal here. Off of this, we've been trending down, right? Finally get a pullback, and then we can come get into this 4-hour gap. That's what I'm hoping. But we gotta get into the gap first, man. Just get there. Just get there.
Playing on your phone. No, I'm not playing on my phone. I'm taking care of business. I'm not sure.
Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Dang. All right. Let's get a reversal. We have a 5-minute gap. Yeah. If we close below here, we'll go in. Rather wait for the 5 minute than just this 1 minute, just because obviously better confluence is the 5 minute. Higher time frame is always better. So we still have plenty of room to work with. I'm not greedy. I can't even go all the way down there anyway, so I might as well just wait for the 5 minute. If we get a reversal, the 1 minute inversion would be here. It's like a 24-point difference. It's fine. See what we can do. I don't want to wait for the 1 minute, come into the 5 minute, and then go up, right? So there's no gap below it. There's not going to be a 15-minute gap yet. So I don't want to enter off of 1 minute, right? And then you just run into the 5 minute. Might as well just wait. And let me just mark out the 5 minute though, because sorry. 1 sec. Alright, we back. I was thinking about this last night about passing my account. If I can pass these 3, that I actually have to pay after that to get them activated. Okay, so if we're going off 1 minute, it would have entered there. Let's look at the pink one. It's low right now. It's alright. Paid off my credit card already and my car payment. Alright, here we go. Come on now. This is why I didn't enter on the 1 minute version. Don't want any of that happening and coming back up. Let's see. What would I have gotten if I just looks pretty good. If we inverse this, I'm definitely going in. This is good. Good high wick, obviously. Shows that we tried to go up but couldn't. So let's get down. We finally waited for some good structure. This looks good. The SMT right here. So, I mean, right here, ES didn't sweep these highs, so looks pretty good. Alright, moving on. If we want to come back up into the gap again, then we could wait. I would just wait for the same 5 minute gap because I'm not going to take a 1 minute. Obviously, I already said it, but I'm not going to take a 1 minute into this 5 minute, especially one that we've already respected. So, whoops. I can just delete that anyway. And even if I wanted to take this as the retracement up, there's no 1 minute gap until up here, and then we just be sweeping this high. There's all these other gaps, and this is still not good. So just keep waiting. This isn't bad. If we got up in here and had a 1 minute down, then I could take it and just target this gap. Be pretty good. We'll see what we get. But yeah, see why I didn't enter off the 1 minute inversion right into the 5 minute and back up. So if we had a 1 minute gap like right here, I would have been fine entering. If we'd entered here, it'd already be up 1,000. So I guess I could have entered on this one. We'll see what we can get. Still waiting. I could have entered. This one we didn't inverse any 1 minute. This one we did over there. So I had to enter here, be up 600. Yeah, I guess we'll just keep watching this. Be up 800. I'd have pulled that shit up to here already. All right, we're about to be done in like a minute or so because we can watch and see if we can versus 1 minute, but well, yeah, my computer's about to be dead. I have class, so. Better have another 5 minute gap, so we'll see. I'll pull it up, and if there's a 1 minute, if there is a 1 minute gap that we can inverse, and we'll hang out for a little. But if not, then we'll just wait. There's not even a 1 minute to come down. All right, we're gonna be done for today. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow.